Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will be doing unboxing and review of this Zebronics soundbar Duke 7400 Pro. So let's review this. So in the box you will get this huge soundbar, this sound woofer. You can see here it is, two mini satellite speaker are there, and in the box you will get aux cable, user manual, and you can see there is power cable also. So let's see and play in this video, so watch till end. So you will see here it is the main output. There is HDMI cable, optical switch also, and aux. So you can connect your TV also through aux also, and here are three ports. So at the back of the soundwoofer there is nothing. You have to connect to the soundbar first. So I will first connect it and then show you. So friends, in this soundbar, the soundbar is of 70 volt, the sound woofer is 60 volt, and the satellite speakers are 25 volt into 2, both of these. Let's talk about this one. So it has drivers sizes also, and you can also wall mount also this soundbar. You can see at the back you will see some, you can see screws are here, so you can wall mount this soundbar also. So let's connect these two and let's play the music and test the sound also. So friends, you can see these three ports are there: aux, optical port, you can connect your TV. Here it is HDMI also, you can connect through this one also, and here it is aux, you can connect anything, your tab, your phone, anything from this aux. So let's connect these two mini satellites. So you can see this one is the this sound woofer port. So let's connect this yellow, and here it is SL and SR. So let's connect this one also. So this is the right one. Let's connect to the right one, and let's put the left in the left port. So here it is the one, the left one. So let's put it in this SL, and you can see it is now connected, 3 hours connected. Let's play the song, and first switch on this through this power. So friends, here you can see there is a digital display panel also. Here it will show you which mode you are playing. So you can see it is now started. In this you will get, here it is the remote. You can see it is a compatible lightweight remote. From here you can input. Let's click on first the power on. So you can see it is now power on, and here it is the BT mode. So it is now in the pairing mode. You can choose the mode from here. Here it is the input button, just tap on here. So here it is aux mode, just tap on another. Here it is DP mode, HD mode. So from here you can change any mode you want. Let's connect to the Bluetooth. So friends, it is in the aux mode. I will tell you about the remote also. From here you can increase and decrease the volume. Here you can change the movie mode, music mode, sports mode, and news mode. You can increase and decrease the bass of it, and through this you can pause and play also. So let's connect to the mobile phone and then it will start. So friends, now you can see pair with Zebronics Juke Bar 7400 Pro. Let's pair it. So friends, you can see it is now active and is connected. Here it is BT mode is showing. Let's play music. So friends, first we will see the sound of the movie clip also. So here it is the dialogue delivery first, and then we will test the music of this soundbar. So let's test. I hope you will enjoy.
चाहे भागो मगर होनी को कोई टाल नहीं सकता, और अब मैं ही हूँ, होनी भी और अनहोनी भी। आसान फैसला है,
हमारी किस्मत फिर चमकेगी।
तुम्हारी किस्मत में सिर्फ अंधेरा है एस्गार्डवासी। कर दी ना गलती, अब घमंड। हमेशा के लिए। ये देखो कितना सुंदर है ना? पूरी तरह संतुलित, जैसे हर चीज को होना चाहिए।
So friends, do you like it? This one is the movie mode. I have clicked on this movie. So there is lots of modes are here. Here it is music, news. If you want to hear the news, you can just see this. Here it is sport mode. So let's test this music mode. Let's click on this music, and it is now music mode. So friends, do you like the sound of this sound bar? So this is not the maximum sound, this is just 20% of it. You can increase the sound as much you want. Here it is the sound woofer bass. You can increase it through this. You have to increase it from here. This is 5 now, and there is another mode, that is news mode, sports mode, and you can increase and decrease. This one modes are there. From here you can reset also if it is connected to the another device from here. So do you like this one? So friends, at last let's talk about the key specification of this. So we got 400 volt of this whole setup sound bar, and in the box accessories I have told you about that. Let's talk about the another thing, that is the main this smart panel. It's look good when you just change it from the remote. You can change any mode. There are lots of mode. There is aux mode, you can connect to the TV also, and it is fully functional remote control with bass, volume and EQ preset. So friends, if you want this one soundbar, you can get from Amazon, Flipkart, and under 7,000 you will get this Zebronics soundbar whole setup. In this you will get all these 4. So I have given the link in the description. You can go and check it out there. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.